With broadcasting and it's like a rope, the coastal road. The chairman of one group of the Sahara Rabi in the region of our country. The sound of the residency story.
Our Excellency, President of the Senate, Your Excellency,
and so the Excellencies, distinguished citizens of the National Assembly are here. I want to especially welcome the governors.
By fortune, you are here today. I say thank you for the motivation, encouragement to say, let's go home, go and contest, run for governorship, do your job, and the encouragement that you've given me, the mentorship, is work. I am very proud of our association with you. The democracy is here, but we hold it dearly, preciously, for what you have done. It meant a lot to the entire Africa and the literary world. Thank you for who you are. The chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum, Senator Hope Osodima, and all the governors here present. Please forgive me if I cannot go through each and every one of you in terms of this protocol. It is a great honor and joy for me to have all of you here. Those who are on the coaster and those who are not on the coaster. It's a joy that we are working and thinking together for a prosperous Nigeria. And with this sign of solidarity and commitment, I know Nigeria will achieve. Thank you. To the contractors and my partner in daring. It was tough for us. Engineer Roland Chaguri. We come together to tame the Atlantic. My leaders in Lagos thought it was impossible for us to do. So many other leaders wanted us to abandon it. And federal government rejected the idea that they would take responsibility. Then I said, we will do it, and we will succeed with it. Today, a disaster greater than tsunami that will have consumed Victoria Island and Ikoyi is now a statement of fortune. Thank you, Roland. I appreciate you. It is a great honor for me and pride to have this sense of fulfillment, standing before you to commission the completed part of Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway corridor. This is phase 1 section of Ahmadu Bello Way 700-kilometer iconic project spanning the coastal areas of Ogun, Ondo, Delta, Edo, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and Cross Rivers states. Let me appreciate the Honorable Minister of Works, Senator Engineer Dr. Weze David Umahi, the Honorable Minister of State Works, Right Honorable Bello Muhammad Goroyo, the Permanent Secretary, Engineer Fonso Adebi, and all staff of Federal Ministry of Works that made today's commissioning possible. Thank you for your commitment to this project. But at this stage, as you promised local content from the beginning, I hope you are making effort to help train our engineers who are in the ministry or employable from outside. Thank you. Keep their promise. I congratulate Mr. Sitec Construction Company for taking this job and for following that Nigerian firms. You show that the Nigerian firms can perform to the world standard and achieve excellence in infrastructure development. It is a most pleasing to note that the highway was constructed using continuously reinforced concrete pavement instead of flexible pavement, thereby assuming long-term durability that will go beyond some of our lifetime. At this point, I want to use this opportunity to commission other completed projects. From the South-South zone, rehabilitation of Calabar, Ugeb, Katsina Allah Road, section 1, Ugeb, Katsina Allah, in Benue State and Cross River State. Dualization of the East-West Road, section 2, subsection 1, Eleme Junction in Port Harcourt, commission, Ahwada in River State. Rehabilitation of Alessi Ugeb, Uyem Ugeb Road, section in Cross River State is hereby commissioned. Upgrading of 15-kilometer section of the East-West Road, Port Harcourt, Eleme Junction, including that of One Junction in River State, is commissioned. In Southeast, rehabilitation of Enugu Port Harcourt Road, section 3, Enugu, Lokpata, commission. Construction of a new bridge at Akpona in Ebonyi State to replace the near collapsed bridge C number 8469, rescoped, commissioned. Reconstruction of collapsed Enugu Bridge at New Artisan Market, Enugu Port Harcourt Road in Enugu State, also commissioned. In Southwest, Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway Corridor Phase 1, and we are there today, is being commissioned. Ahmadu Bello Way to Eko Village. Rehabilitation, construction, and expansion of Lagos Shagamu Ibadan Dual Carriageway section in Oyo State is also commissioned. emergency comprehensive repositioning the Eco Bridge, 14 kilometers in Lagos from Alaka, Surulere, Akpabio, including all ramps, commission. Construction of deep sea port access road in Lagos State through Ekpe to Shagam, Benin Expressway, 54.24 kilometers in Lagos and Ogun State. In the north, construction of Shendam Bridge in Plateau State, commissioned. Rescoping and variation of contract for the construction of Ilobu Erinle Road in Kwara and Osun State, commissioned. In Northeast Zone, construction of Jimeta Bridge in Adamawa State, commissioned. Construction of Yakasai, Badume, Damagun, Market Sam Road in Kano State, commissioned. The construction of Kano Kwana Dancha Adeja section 2, Kano Road, commissioned. Furthermore, the same vein, I hereby flag off the following new projects: Ibadan, Ife, Elisha, Akure, Benin Road in Oyo State. Construction of Nembe Brass Road. Construction of a section of Enugu Onisha carriageway. Rehabilitation of Zaria, Nkoyik, Kufongida, Kano. Dualization of Kano Maiduguri Road, linking Kano, Jigawa, Bauchi, Yobe, and Benue states. Construction of Kano Northern B bypass in Kano State, and construction of Maiduguri bypass road. As we celebrate today, let us reflect on our collective responsibility to preserve infrastructure. The government can build roads, but this is left for us, citizens, to maintain. The motorists and residents alike are hereby encouraged to utilize this opportunity very effectively and well. Let me at this stage warn all developers. The federal government will enforce the setback. If not for anything, it's for the interests of our nation. Development without approval will not be compensated. We have gazetted and published the setback. We are going to enforce it rigidly in every way possible. I thank people of Lagos for supporting this project. that will positively affect the lives of our people. I know at this stage the expectation is still very high, and our Nigerian people are still going through difficult times. I take this opportunity to appeal to all Nigerians that the hope is here and is realizable. That the benefit will be you'll be part of the benefit. The economy is recovering. There's light at the end of the tunnel now. Inflation is stepping down. The exchange rate is stabilized. The corruption in the exchange rate is eliminated. The corruption in fuel subsidy is limited to BRS minimum. It is your money. It is your opportunity. It is your children that must go to school, must go through the higher education. We are paying for all of that. Look at renewable infrastructure going on in various teaching hospitals and several thousands of health centers. It's all about you. It's all for you, the people. We are reducing the cost of manufactured drugs. We are encouraging manufacturing locally. We give all incentives for everyone to abide by the principle of Nigerian first. May God bless our country. May God bless Lagos State. May God keep our fighting soldiers safe. Thank you very much.
Let's settle down, please. Let's settle down.